If you want to start the workout with your Xiaomi Watch 5 in order to make sure that your watch tracks the workout progress and collects all the information, then we need to open the apps list. So we're gonna press the crown to open the list of apps, and then we need to scroll down to find the workout app. Let's open it. Now over here we have a list of different workouts that we can perform, of course, with our watch, and you can press add in order to find even more options if they are not included, so you might be able to find even more options in here. So let's say I'm gonna just choose walking in this case. We can also find some instructions. So for example, over here we can press, or the watch tells us that we can press the crown in order to return to the watch face. We can press the crown twice in order to view apps, of course. Then we can also hold the crown for half a second to open the digital assistant. We can press the down button over here in order to, or the power button, in order to pause or resume the workout. So in case you take a break or something, you can just pause at any point. You can also press and hold for 1.5 seconds to end the workout. We can also press and hold the down button to start. Actually, we just have to press it to start or stop editing. And then we also have information that we can hold for 1.5 seconds, the down button, of course, to open navigation settings. So lots of information over here, but just tap on and done. There is also the information on how to properly wear the watch, but then we should be able to finally use the go button in order to start the training. There we go. And now the workout is in progress, and you should be able to end it whenever you want to. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.